What's up everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, Brian and I just got done finishing with a video filming with the R8, which I'm in right now, and the 350Z. Gotta put some gas in that before we head out. And I just checked, we were filming a video at our parents' house and I checked my email and I got a notification that a package arrived, but it's for the Tacoma. So we're gonna get some gas in the Z and head out. Oh man, driving the Z and the R8 back to back, definitely a huge difference. First time I'm actually following the 350 and the first time that both of these cars are in the same vlog together. So we're just gonna cruise on some back roads here, and according to the email that I got, the box should be at the front door. So I can't wait to go home and we'll start working on that. All right, so we just made it home, have the R8 in the garage here, Brian behind me in the Z, and I'll just wait for Bri here. Before I look, Bri, I saw some boxes on the porch. Do you see them? We got our Tacoma Beast boxes, and I think we'll open them up inside. Sweet. So let's grab them. So box number one is the new taillights, which I'm not going to reveal just yet.
I think they might have seen them a little bit.
Have they? Well, let's go ahead and take them out then.
Sweet.
I'll go ahead and show you guys. Wow. I'll have all the information in the description below which taillights these are. I believe they're 8K something, but that'll all be down in the description below. So again, these are from Tacoma Beast. And I'm not too sure where the brake light or turn signal is yet, but maybe both of these light up for both. We'll see. Or, well, reverse lights would be. We'll see.
Yeah.
I don't know. I can't wait because they look so good. Well, obviously, if you saw that taillights arrived, this box is going to contain the headlights.
Sweet.
And I think you guys are going to like these almost even better than the taillights. Dude, you gotta come see these.
Alright. I guess, should I look at them before the camera?
You want to? Man.
I wish you guys could see these.
Well, they will in like 1 second. Ready?
Alright, let's take a look.
Here we go. Look at these.
Dang.
Again, these are from TacomaBeast.com. I'll have all their information in the description below, along with which headlights these are. But compared to the chrome look that the stock ones have,
those are sick.
Look at these.
So it's got like a sequential turn signal or something?
It's kind of like the stock one, except I think that's the DRL on the stock lights.
Yeah, ooh, maybe.
The turn signal is the bulb in the center. Remember? Yeah. It's just like a bulb right here.
Yeah, these are way different. Look at they're like square projectors.
Yeah.
So I guess a high beam and a normal.
Yeah.
Dang. All blacked out. So blacked out housings. That's gonna look sick.
It's gonna look really good against all the black that I have on the truck.
Dang.
Dude,
that is going to be sweet.
I can't wait.
So they definitely have, like the similar design.
Yeah.
Just obviously the same shape. So all this chrome is gone, the old school like high beam. We got square projectors versus a round one.
And you know what I noticed? Actually, I made a mistake on the DRL. It's only this part right here.
Yeah.
So it's not even, I mean, this is the whole light.
Yeah, it'll be interesting how they like hold it up again. Dang, that's gonna look so mean.
Now, I do think we have to remove the grill, because look, it's blocking here.
Yeah.
So we'll definitely have to remove the grill.
But we are definitely transforming the front end now. This is, and then taillights, let's take a quick look.
Taillights are way easier install.
Yeah, that'll take like 5 seconds. Yeah,
so if you stand on that side by the Z, you can get a side view like with all the black vinyl.
Oh yeah.
It kind of just meets to black.
And with the bumper.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna look really good.
So that's gonna be pretty cool. Alright, so it turns out that in order to replace the headlights, we have to remove the bumper as well. So we're actually going to work on that tomorrow and go ahead and knock out the taillights tonight. So without jinxing myself, the rear should be easier. There's only 2 bolts that are 10 millimeters, one on the top here, and then it was the very bottom, wasn't it? Yep, it's that one. I don't know what this middle bolt is for. So with those two out, it should just kind of pop out just like that. And we're not taking the bulbs out, right?
I don't know.
I might as well.
At least to get them all out.
At least to get, yeah.
And we'll go from there.
That makes it much easier to disconnect it. And now we can kind of get a good before and after of the stock versus not stock.
Nice.
So before we can do anything, I just need to go ahead and remove all of these bulbs.
And this should be a direct plug and play while he's getting the bulbs out. Basically, the plugs right here are going to directly plug into the original sockets. So while it looks like it's missing grommets in here, the socket itself, which has the rubber seal, that's going to seal it. These wires will be hidden inside the light. So this is the smallest one. This goes to the small one.
Yeah.
I don't know if there's a positive, negative, or whatever.
Maybe we should figure that out like last time.
Yeah. So go ahead and plug it in.
Do you want to put the camera down?
Actually, we can. Why don't we unplug these and do the light first, and then just plug them in?
Oh, undo that?
Yeah.
And plug them into here?
Yeah.
Okay. Pinch the top here?
Yeah.
Oh, that's easy. So I just removed the reverse lights, I believe, which is this one here. So we'll just have to test it before we obviously put it back all the way in. So that's one.
And then, like he said, while he unplugs those, you just kind of put the wire back into it.
Now the only question is, we have a 50-50 shot at this.
I would assume this top one
Goes
is
to
the top one.
Yeah.
That makes most sense.
Well, I mean, it does. It does.
Yeah.
To us, but
we'll see.
I mean, the reverse was in the middle instead of at the bottom here.
True.
There's still no, I don't know. We'll have to see. That one went in much easier. And then last one. So top should be here. This one would be here. And this one, if it can reach. Now, did we get it on the first try?
Hopefully.
Is the question. So
we'll do a quick test just to see the basic function.
I don't get to see it first try. Brakes?
Yep. Alright, so brake light is down there.
Brake lights work?
Yep.
What about just the lights on?
Okay, cool. I don't know if you guys can see in the daylight, all of these are lit up right now. That is going to look sweet at night.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, can you go do the brake light for me?
So this thing right here is the brake, is the light.
Okay, let me see. That's so cool. So the white, oh, that's the lights at nighttime? Oh, we're gonna have to throw in some nighttime clips then, for sure. Oh yeah, and the reverse lights are the ones in the middle. That's pretty cool, Bri. Now I'll just show you guys a before and after with the housings here, and then later tonight we will get some nighttime shots. So here is the stock one. You can see how large the reverse bulb is down below. And then the turn signal is this top half, and then I think the whole thing lights up, right, Bri, for the brake light? Yeah, this whole kind of C-shaped is the brake light. And then if you can just see it on the back side of the truck here, and then moving over to the Tacoma Beast lights, look at how much more aggressive that is. And I love how this matches with the black stripes. I think it gives it a really cool look. On to the evening now, we'll go ahead and just start with brake lights.
Alright. Alright, so we got brake light over there, and then brake light over there. Nice and bright, they're all LED, which is good. Alright.
Lights on.
It's really cool. So we kind of got that C-shaped glow to this type of glow.
It's almost like a more,
Like modern?
what do you call it? Like a black light type lighting.
Just,
Kind of, I don't know.
Yeah, kind of a
Feel
soft.
that theme coming from it. Yeah.
I think I hear you. Yeah, they're really bright. Those look brighter, I would say, but
Yeah, they do look brighter over here.
these are still very bright.
Yeah.
I mean, they are LED, so.
Reverse lights.
Wow. They're both really bright.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Nice.
It's weird how those are almost as bright as, what is that, three bulbs versus one.
Yeah, but that has like the chrome mirrors thing around it.
Oh, that's true.
But yeah, they look
I don't know, what do you
sweet.
think?
They look good.
I think they look good.
Let's turn them off just to see the housings one more time.
Yeah.
Definitely really sweet looking. Match nicely with the black vinyl wrap. And then moving over here, do these stock ones. Alright, well, cool.
It's the next day now, and we got both of the taillights in. This was a pretty easy installation for the back, and I love how they look with the black housing compared to the clear on the stocks. Again, it just makes it look really good with the black vinyl that I have. And I know we mentioned we're gonna be doing the headlights in today's video, but going back and looking at the footage, this is a pretty lengthy video just doing the taillights. So look forward to tomorrow's video where we install the headlights. We do have to take the bumper off. It's a lot more involved and there's gonna be a ton more footage, so I thought today would be a good length video. So we're gonna end it here. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button. Definitely check out Tacoma Beast. I'll have all their information down in the description below, and we'll see you in the next video.